Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about one of our most popular stone vessel sinks here. It's the Beige Travertine vessel sink. The model number is the NOSV-BT. Just going over some quick points. So it is a round vessel sink that you see here, hand polished on the inside as well as the outside. The bottom is flat, so you don't need a mounting ring or anything like that. And it's 17 inches round. It is natural stone, so it's gonna have a little bit of character in it from piece to piece, but overall the color is gonna be pretty consistent. And what you see here is, usually what you're gonna get once you open the box. So shouldn't be any surprises there. A couple of the product features is it is 5/8 thick and weighs about 26 pounds. So we do recommend basically kind of a stone sealer or like our glacierized product that we have. It's just going to basically help keep it from water spotting or anything like that, especially with travertine. It is a little bit softer and a little more porous. So that's certainly going to help. And then with the drain, we have a 1 3/4 drain, standard plumbing. And then just another thing is it does not have an overflow, so we always recommend what we call our umbrella drains. That's going to give you your best look and your best capability and compatibility. So if you have any more questions or want to give us a call, feel free.